Good afternoon. Ito yung platform na pinapasukan namin guys. Tapos na kami. Maglipat na kami sa ibang platform guys. Kasi tapos na yung trabaho namin dyan. Prepare para demolition yan guys. Yan ang aming platform. Pinapasukan natin sa Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of America. Almost 3 months kami dyan guys. Yan. Ito yung mga kasama ko. Yeah, small fish. Small fish. Yeah. Yeah, kasama ko guys. At yan ang ginagamit namin guys pagbaba sa platform. Jihol, jihol. Yeah, small fish. Yan guys, kasama ko taga Batangas at taga Iloilo. Woohoo! Yan guys, yan ang ginagamit pag baba kami sa platform, yung man basket. Yan guys, binabawa namin mga kasama. Yan. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel and my Facebook reels. Bye-bye! Yan guys. From America of Mexico, Mr. Yoo-hoo! Ha? Maliit lang yan. Woo! Guys. Okay guys, alis na kami guys ha. Ganyan ang buhay guys dito sa America. Always safe. Kahit bad weather ngayon guys, tatawid na kami sa ibang platform. Oh, this is it. This is what it is guys. Ito yung buhay. Oh! And guys, ganda yung weather ngayon. Kikita mo yung ano ng alon guys. Napakalakas ang alon. Yahoo! Yuto! Ilo-ilo! Okay, safety guys. Okay. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog. My friend. Oh, Jose, come. Okay guys, yan mga kasama ko mga celebrity, isang safety medic. Ayan, yahoo! Welcome Duterte. Like that, Duterte. Okay, thank you very much. Yan guys. Alis na kami guys. Yahoo! Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Guys, ganito ang buhay guys dito sa ibang bansa guys. Kailangan mag-sacrifice. Kahit mahalon guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, 300,000, bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. God bless us and more power. This is DJ Freeman Vlog. Mabuhay.